White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bulls Barbecue, and today I'm doing sticky Asian barbecue ribs. This is gonna be a flavor bomb in your mouth, and we're doing it 3-1-1 method with a rack of St. Louis ribs. We already have them prepped up. You're gonna see I season them with Rack City for ribs, and we threw them on the Traeger, 250, 3 hours, 1 hour wrapped, 1 hour unwrapped, glazed with your flavored sauce. Today's flavor is sticky Asian style. It's gonna be incredible. A nice sesame, teriyaki infused type barbecue glaze, and I'm gonna put scallions on top. This is not only gonna be picture perfect, but it's gonna be delicious. Hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell. You already know the vibe. Let's get right into it. So we're gonna remove, there's like 2 ribs in there that just they're kind of slanted, kind of really small. You could smoke those for rib tips or whatever you want to do. I truthfully get rid of them. I know I'll get the people bashing me in the comments, oh, you're wasting food. Listen, barbecue is a delicacy, and that means that every bite of barbecue should be amazing, in my opinion. So that's the goal. And that to me means you're completely prepped now. You got one edge here I'd like to square up. And you've got pretty much perfect looking ribs. St. Louis style. Beautiful rack. Gonna have 10 perfect ribs as your result. Maybe we'll get a little bit of this fat off, but we're about to prep this with Rack City. Let's do the damn thing. We got the Traeger rolling at 250. So now that we're prepped up, we removed a little bit of fat. Nice, fatty, marbled rack. Look at this. When you go to the supermarket and you're looking for the perfect rack of ribs, and it looks like that with the marbling, you can almost guarantee that you're gonna have extremely juicy ribs, okay? Nice little tip for you. So now we're gonna use our handy dandy Rack City. Link is always in the comments. And this is you're just gonna ever so slightly season this backside because you want every little bite to have flavor, right? So that means even the backside is gonna have a little bit of flavor, and that is what we're going for. That's perfect, that's all you need. Just a dash, just a little, dusting. Perfect. Give that 5 minutes to set in. We're gonna flip it, then we're gonna season the other side. Okay, what you're looking at is Marble City, but we're about to turn it to Rack City. Let's do it. So we've reached the 3 hour mark. Now we're gonna put a little bit of salted butter in this foil. About a third of a stick. Mine's already melted, so that's why you see it in that form. Then we're gonna put a little more Rack City down. Nothing crazy. And then we're gonna put a little bit of original maple syrup. All right, so what we're finna do is we're gonna take these ribs off and put it in this foil. Wrap it, put it back on. Let's get it. All right, barbecue fam, so we are at the 4-hour mark. I just unwrapped these. Let's take a look. These are gonna be amazing. Let's get a probe on them and we're gonna glaze them with this Asian style barbecue and let it rock for an hour at 250 and we should be done. That's when we're gonna put on our scallions. Once these are completely done, give it that extra flavor pop. Let's sauce these. And before you could lose all your scallions, just kind of, you know, make it pretty. Sprinkle them. Wow. Just wow. Hold up. Let this, look at that. See? Woo! Wow. Let's get it. Holy. Whoa. Woo! Recipe's so good you gotta dance afterwards, and I don't even dance. Let me tell you, if you like a teriyaki twang on any of your food, this is the rib recipe for you. I'm telling you, the kids will love it, the wife will love it. Make it, share it with your people, eat the whole rack to yourself. It doesn't matter. this recipe does the damn thing. So hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell, comment what you want to see next time, and thanks for joining me. The barbecue big homie, Chris from White Bulls, signing off.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.